Primeiro-Ministro Sanana Guzmão agradece a Organização Nações Unidas nebe apoia ona Timor-Leste liu processo independência no ohin loron Timor sai nação independência e mundo. Quarta-feira loron Ronolo Racing walo fulang agosto tinangai banhira abertura feira produto local onde comemora loron consulta popular badala Ronolo Racing Lima e estádio municipal dele. Sefi governo ni hateteng laho apoio os Nações Unidas karek Timor-Leste sedang belesai nação soberania ida hanesang ohin lorong também agradece tebes ba ONU tulung ia processo tomak. Além de ne niamos agradece ba mate biang Kofi Annan ba sefi unamet nebe consegue resolver problema nebe Timor-Leste hasoro durante tina Ronolo Racing hat nelarang. Sanana mos reconhece durante tina Ronolo Racing hat nelarang povo Timor-Leste teros tambah karak ukung rasigang may beho ONU li husi missão unamet nebe lidera husi yang Martin hudi apoia ba independência Timor-Leste. Agradecemos ba solidariedade internacional ba suporta hoto nebe Timor-Leste simu mesmo que ela fácil may be o in Timor-Leste celebra ninha independência badala Ronolo Racing Lima. Tuirmai declaração completa husi Primeiro-Ministro Kairala Sanana Guzmão.
Kofi Annan, through his commitment to solve the problem of Timor-Leste. After 24 years of difficult resistance, I can say forgotten by the world. From 83, we sent our proposal to President Suharto for a peaceful solution through a referendum. We had to wait 16 years. During the time, we were motivated by the international law that recognized our right to self-determination. Thanks to all the efforts from UN, sending the UNAMED mission. It was very, very important to us. Our people are suffering. With thousands, hundreds of thousands died of this right. Our people felt that it was the right time to them to tell the world that the resistance was for this, to defend our right under the international law. Thank you, my friend Yamati. We all know the difficult time that you faces. Thank you, all the friends that came to cooperate with Yamati, Comrade Samuel. We pay tribute to all of you. Without your help, maybe we will be still seeking for independence. Difficult time. To us and to the United Nations itself. To us and to the international community. We owe our capability to resilience to resist. We owe to the international solidarity, people-to-people solidarity. All of these combined came to a not easy end, but to the real end of the conflict of the world. Today we are open to this. Sorry for the two school bands boring you with all of the...
Reportagem Malanya Conceição, Televisão Timor-Post. Janela Informação Baema Hoto. Atua tem informação atual dia Clio. Kita haluha. Haneham botão subscribe, like. Halo comentário no Fahia Tutang ba media sosial Hoto.